Natural, health, remedies, lifestyle, fitness, hacks. Natural Healthy Hacks channel mission is to produce informative, educational and entertaining how-to videos about what matters most to you, which is improving your health and well-being. We enjoy to make videos that will help you to feel better, tell you about the latest and best tips and hacks that will improve your fitness levels, and you will actively enjoy your life. Also, we will reveal secret natural health remedies that will keep you healthy. We understand that there are many videos on YouTube, but it will warm our hearts if you will find our videos helpful and subscribe to our Natural Healthy Hacks channel. Interact with our videos by giving them likes and comments. Also, don't be shy to tell us what type of videos you would love to see on this YouTube channel. We are here to help you, educate you and entertain you. Thanks for watching this intro, and we will see you on our videos.